Welcome back to the Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. You know where I teach you how to make passive income, start your own business, find these gig economy jobs, these driving apps to help you make money on your own time, get your own dime. You know we about that. That's something you like, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by my birthday, September 13th, so help me do it. Leave a comment down below. It also helps get this video out to people who's trying to get paid just like you are. So, you found this video, you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. This is a great new company that allows you to use your own vehicle to pick up groceries and deliver them to either restaurants or to people. So it's a little bit different from Shipt and some of the other shopping apps and shopping companies that you can work for. They work on a larger scale. They work with farmers markets, farmers themselves who got small farms, large box retail stores that help deliver food items. So we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna go through the website, how to get signed up, take a look at how much people are getting paid by doing this. Just gonna jump inside the computer, look at nothing else other than Market Wagon. Let's hop into it. The computer, you see we're on the Market Wagon website. Let's get into it. Local food delivered. Welcome to farmdelivery.com. So that's their division of Market Wagon, who you would preferably be delivering for, the farm delivery section. All our deliveries are completed by individuals just like you, using your own personal vehicle as a contractor to our company. Each route is a gig, so you're your own boss. You got to manage your own fuel, have your own vehicle, make sure your own time to these locations. They'll text you and see if you're available for it. When you accept the route, instruction will be delivered to your mobile phone. So you fill out this information. I haven't went through this yet. They're looking for people in Lexington, Minnesota, Columbia, Maryland, Chattanooga, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, Memphis, Tennessee, Homewood, Alabama, Greenville, South Carolina, Lithia Springs, Georgia. So they are in my market. So I will be applying for it, as well as Lawrenceville, Georgia. I mean, look at, they all over the place, guys. So you should have no excuse finding one in your market, but I do not see the West Coast. I see mostly Midwest and Southeast, and I don't see Northeast. Far north I see is Maryland. So they're not exactly everywhere. Definitely not in Texas or west of the Mississippi, but we're still going to get into it because there's a lot of people on this side that needs this information and wants to get paid. Some things you need to have, be able to, tote 50 pounds up some stairs in case you need to. A lot of these companies, I see a lot of people who do DoorDash and Shipt. A lot of these delivery companies, they always have them a cart or some type of thing that they can, move heavy items distances. So make sure you don't break your back working for these companies. Make sure you work smart, not hard. And then fill out your name, number, email address, and everything. Matter of fact, let's go through it. All right, so I did fill out the information. There was no other pages. Once you fill out that page information, they allow you to pick what city is close to you. So I picked one of Lithia Springs, Atlanta West locations because I'm out here in Georgia. And then it went to the screen. Thank you. So not a lot of whole information regarding pay, hours, numbers that they're requiring you to work, anything. So, we got to search the internet and see what we find. First place, Glassdoor. Glassdoor. All right, so here's some Glassdoor reviews. New company in our area. Like I said, this is a company that's less than a year old, so not a lot of information online about it, but some of the reviews are good. Let's go to salaries. Delivery drivers. Salaries for delivery drivers. $50,000 a year. That's sounds a little bit extra, maybe with tips and stuff possibly added in overtime. Not sure. $34,000 sounds more reasonable for most driving jobs. Most of them pay in between $18 and $20 an hour. But this one looks like you can get paid a lot more. We'll see. Like I said, I haven't had a lot of information about the company. Let's keep it moving. Indeed, you know we love Indeed on this channel. Great place to work. Here's somebody at a PA who was a delivery driver, another delivery driver out of Indianapolis. Some more people in Indiana. I got a lot of work in Indiana area, guys. So definitely want to jump in and jump out, man. I definitely appreciate you guys rocking with me on my Be On Boss YouTube channel. You know, where I give you the information, clear, concise, jump right into it. No long spills, no long intros, not stuttering and saying all over the videos. We just give you this information. But like I said, $17 an hour seems a lot more reasonable. We're going to cut this video short, run a little long now. So definitely check out Market Wagon. I'm going to leave a link to the website to apply down below. Get started. Leave a comment if you do get hired and tell me how you like it. Later, Be On Boss, snitches.